Match the hormones in column 1 to their respective physiological effects in column 2. Let's look at these hormones individually, their target organs and their effects. So first is melatonin, which is also called the sleep hormone, which are secreted from the pineal gland. So as the name suggests, it basically helps regulate sleep or the circadian rhythm. Next is prolactin, which is released from the anterior pituitary gland, which is first secreted as pre-prolactin and then is activated to form the prolactin. The roles of this hormone involve initiating and maintaining lactation, inducing ductal growth of breast. It is at its highest level after the onset of deep sleep and at its lowest level at midday. Next is oxytocin. It has several functions by targeting several different organs. For example, adipose tissue. In adipose tissue, it basically enhances the lipolysis and beta oxidation of fatty acids. Where in the liver and muscle, it enhances the insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake. Whereas in pancreas, it increases the insulin release as well as beta cell regeneration, probably in the islets of Langerhans. Next is cholecystokinin, which is secreted by the duodenum, and it has a primary role in the digestive system. For example, it increases bile acid production in liver, induces the digestive enzyme production in pancreas, and it also reduces the gastric acid secretion, along with delaying the gastric emptying of stomach, increasing the contractions of gallbladder while relaxing the sphincter of Oddi. The last one is somatotropin, which is also called the growth hormone. It follows the HP axis to or hypophyseal portal system to get released from the anterior pituitary. So at the start, hypothalamus secretes the growth hormone releasing hormone, which then follows this system to reach the anterior pituitary, where it induces the secretion of the somatotropin. And as the name suggests, it is involved in regulating the rate of growth in the body. So coming back to the question, you can try to solve this question by looking for some key terms in the column to match the both the options. So melatonin, as we have seen, it refers to sleep hormone, and sleep is also related to circadian rhythm. So you can look for a word like circadian rhythm or sleep while trying to look for the correct match. And that is seen here in the fifth option, which says regulation of circadian rhythms. So the answer for melatonin is this. Next is oxytocin. So oxytocin and prolactin are both involved in milk production or secretion. So you can look for a word like milk, but you also know that oxytocin is also released or involved in the uterine contraction, which is a distinct feature from prolactin. So that's why the answer here to oxytocin is secretion of milk and uterine contraction. Next is cholecystokinin. As we have seen that it is mainly involved in digestive system. So anything which has word like digestion or digestive system or any of those enzymes which are involved in digestion will match to cholecystokinin, which is here in the fourth option, which says secretion of enzymes from pancreatic acidic cells. Next is prolactin. As we have seen, it is related to synthesis of milk in mammary gland. And last is somatostatin, which is also called growth hormones. You can look for words like regulation of growth or maintaining by inhibition of secretion of growth hormone. So the answer therefore to this question is D. To know more about hormones and their effects, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.